In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a front bumper impact absorber bar on a Nissan Maxima. It is located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and locate this front bumper trim. Held down by push pin clips. I'm going to remove those using a trim tool. Now lift and remove the panel and set it aside. I'm going to move underneath the bumper, and on the corners we're going to locate 4 Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove those. I'll repeat this for the other side. Now in the front part underneath the bumper, we're going to locate 5 10mm screws and remove those as well. Now I'm going to take a plastic trim tool to pry the fender liner up and out so I can gain access to my 10mm bolt. Now let's remove that bolt. I'll repeat this for the other side. Now let's remove the corner of the bumper from the fender. Pull away, undo the clips. Do the same under the headlight, pull the clips away, and do the same for the other side. Now pull away the bumper from the vehicle. Now while holding the bumper up, I'm going to remove all 3 of my electrical connectors. 2 for the fog lights, pull up the tab and push down. And 1 for the parking sensor. Do the same for the other side. Now pull the bumper away. Now let's remove our front bumper impact absorber foam. It just slides out from the mounting tab, so pull it away from the vehicle. And there it is. Now to remove our sensor and its clips, I'll be using a trim tool. Pull it out, slide it out, and do the same for this one. Now on our bumper support, we're going to locate our 2 10mm bolts. Now to remove our bumper impact absorber bar. On each side, we're going to locate 4 13mm nuts. I'll repeat this for the other side. Now we can remove our bumper impact absorber bar. Just slide it off. And there it is. Now for our new front bumper impact absorber bar. Mount it on the studs. And hand thread on your 8 nuts. Now snug these down. Repeat this for the other side. Now we're going to torque these 13mm nuts down to 33 foot-pounds. Repeat this for the other side. Now we're going to reinstall our sensor and its clips. Line them up and push them down. Now we're going to reinstall our mounting bolts. And just snug these down. Now to install our bumper reinforcement bar foam. Slide it in place. Gonna push in on the mounting tabs, so align them. And push in. Let's go ahead and reinstall our fog light and parking sensor connections. Slide them up and over. Fully push in to seat them. And repeat this for the other side. Now let's fully mount our bumper to the vehicle. Slide it over in place. Now on the corners of the bumper, you're going to find a series of clips. Push them fully in. Now let's reinstall our engine bay trim panel. Slide it over in place. Make sure the hood latch goes over. Align the holes on the bumper and reinstall your push pin clips. Now I'm going to peel back my fender liner with a plastic trim tool. And we can reinstall our corner 10mm bolt. And reinstall your fender liner. And repeat this for the other side. Now we're going to move on under the vehicle, and on the corners of the bumpers, reinstall our 4 Phillips head screws. Now repeat this for the other side. Now let's reinstall our 5 10mm splash shield bolts. Just snug these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.